Hi there! So today we are going to do a natural summer glow look. I'm going to use all Seint Beauty products, and this is going to be a light application. I'm going to start with my detail brush. Using the small end in the color Sunlit, I'm going to go in my inner corners of my eyes to bring light, outer corners of my eyes, drawing the light to my eyes. Then I'm going to go to the center of my forehead, above my cupid's bow, on my chin, and then right beside my nose a little bit, just to bring in some more light. Okay, next I'm going to use the buff brush. I'm going to go to the color Amber. I'm going to go right there under my eye, just a little bit, under my nose, and then around my lip, my upper lip, and then in my smile line a little bit. Next, I'm going to use the buff brush again. I'm going to use the larger end in the color Mango to swipe down the sides of my face, along my jawline. Then I'm going to dab it very lightly over the cheek area, just to conceal some of my freckling. And then I'm going to go back into Amber a little bit, and I'm going to go across both of my eyes, and that's going to be my primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go right there between my eyebrows, back into Mango to do my nose. Forgot that. And then I'm going to blend everything together, making that look like a second skin. Real light coverage here. Next, I'm going to use the large end of the detail brush in the color Indigo. I'm going to go and draw like a triangle on the forehead, going to the highest part of my eyebrows and kind of draw that in. I'm going to go down beside my eyes because I have a sunglass line there I like to conceal. Next, I'm going to use it on my cheekbone. I'm going to contour my cheekbone. I just go in and I stipple or lightly tap it on my cheek. And I use a pressing motion and I press upward because I want to lift that cheekbone. Next, I'm going to use the multitasker, the small end. I'm going to draw two lines down from my eyebrow, down my nose, top of my nose, and then I'm going to blend it out with my detail brush, the large end. That's just going to give me the illusion of a narrow nose. Gives it some shape and definition. There I have a blemish that I'm concealing. I use the color Mango over that. And then this is bronzer. I like to place it on with my fingers first. I do it across the highest point of my forehead and my highest points of my cheekbones. And then I use my blush and bronze brush, the large end, and then I just lightly go over that, giving myself a really bronzy, glowing look. Next, I'm going to go in with my large end of my blush brush, using the colors Frenchie and Hollywood. Next, I'm going to go in with that small end of the multitasker. I'm going to line my lips with the color Indigo. Looks a little crazy at first, but it does blend in. You don't have to be perfect with it because you're going to blend it all out. I'm going to go back into Frenchie, put that on my lips, and then I go in with the color Hollywood over that. You can use your detail brush and blend that out. And then this is my Glow Illuminator. I like to put that on my nose, my cheeks, above my cupid's bow. Just blend that all out. And then I'm going to do eyeshadow next. I'm using the color Bubba through the crease, kind of up to the brow bone, through the crease, up to the brow bone on both sides. I'm going to go in with the small end of my eyeshadow brush and the color Bubba under my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go back with the fluffy end into Sabrina, bring some light up there next to my brow and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to go into the color You Complete Me and use that right on the center of my lid, just giving that a glow right on the center of the lid. And that's it. I do go back in and put a little bit more of Hollywood, but that is your total look. What do you think? Let's get you glowing too. Go to my Instagram page at Amy_Mitchell and you can find my link for a color match in my bio.